Black mold under flooring is a serious problem that you gotta handle right away to keep your home safe and healthy. First off, you want to make sure you protect yourself with gloves, a mask, and goggles because mold spores are nasty and can mess with your lungs. Next, ventilate the area by opening windows or using fans so the spores don't just hang around. Then, carefully pull up the flooring where you see mold. Don't just cover it up because it'll come back. Use a mixture of water and detergent to scrub the mold off any surfaces you can save, but if the mold has soaked into wood or drywall, you might need to remove those parts entirely. After cleaning, apply a mold-killing solution or a vinegar spray to the subfloor and joists to kill any leftover spores. Let everything dry completely because moisture is the #1 reason mold grows back. If you spot any water leaks or damp spots, fix those as soon as possible to stop mold from coming back. Finally, consider using a dehumidifier in the room to keep humidity low, since mold loves damp places. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with black mold under flooring is ignoring the problem or hoping it will go away on its own, which just lets mold spread and cause serious damage. Another common issue is not protecting themselves properly during cleanup, putting their health at risk from inhaling spores. The third mistake is skipping the step of fixing moisture problems like leaks or poor ventilation, which means the mold will return no matter how much cleaning you do. To fix these, always gear up with proper protection before starting. Tackle all visible mold and damaged materials, and track down any water issues so you can stop mold for good. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who know exactly how to handle issues like black mold safely and effectively. It also helps contractors get more work by connecting them with people who need skilled pros for their home improvement projects.